Hi, my loves. Today I'm going to be walking you through on the different cornrows that is necessary for kids. Cornrows are popular hairstyle for kids, especially in Africa and African American communities. This traditional style has many benefits. We have the low maintenance, the protective styling for hair growth, the versatile designs and patterns that is necessary for you to consider. And this also helps to boost your self confidence and cultural pride when you are opting out for cornrows hairstyle for your kids. Now, before getting cornrows, there are basic things that is needed to be considered before you start thinking of applying the cornrow hairstyle for your kids. Now, the first is the age of the child. Now, there are different corals that are suitable for kids ranging from the age of 4 to 12 years old. For example, there are some hairstyles that you cannot use for a younger child of 4 years old that is meant for a child of 12 years old. So these are the basic things that is needed to be considered before you apply those kind of hairstyles. So this is where we come in to give you different hairstyles that you could look through and see if it's okay for you to consider for your child, especially from the age of 4 to 12 years old. And another thing that is needed to be considered is the hair type. Now you need to know if your child has a coily hair or a kinky hair or a tightly coiled hair. Now these are very, very important because the texture of the child's hair would actually determine the kind of hairstyle that is necessary for you to use for that child. You also need to consider the hair length, minimum 2 to 3 inches for basic styles. The hair length could also be another factor for you to consider when you want to choose a hairstyle for your child, depending on their age. And also, you need to consider the hygiene, that's washing and conditioning the hair before styling. In order to avoid breakage of that hair, you need to be sure that you are applying the um, regular hair maintenance for that child if you want your child to have a very beautiful protective hair. Now, for the basic cornrow techniques, there are fundamental techniques that you need to look through. You need to look through the parting, which is dividing the hair into sections, the braiding, which is the cross strands under and over each other. You need to look through to the tension, which is gently, consistently pulling for neat cornrows. You need to look at the foundation, which has to do with starting with a small section and adding more. So for the popular kids cornrow styles, there are different kind of designs. We have the simple straight back cornrows, the box braid with cornrow foundation, the goddess braids with curved lines, the zigzag or diagonal patterns. Now adding beads or cowrie shells for flair and for designs. Now another one to consider is the maintenance and care. Now you need to keep your cornrows looking fresh at all times. Now the first you need to do is make sure that you moisturize the scalp and the hair regularly and retighten loose strands of the hair if in case the hair is getting dew and you don't want to go through making another hair, you can retighten loose strands. You can also avoid excessive tugging or pulling. You can wash and condition every 1 to 2 weeks, sorry, and also use gentle products for kids' hair. Another thing to consider for this tip is actually necessary for parents and stylists. Now you need to consider the use of kid-friendly language and explanations. Make the experience enjoyable and relaxing. Choose styles suitable for your child's age and head type. Communicate clearly with the stylist. Schedule regular follow ups for maintenance. And in conclusion, corals offer endless creativity and cultural connection. Now, this will encourage kids to explore different styles and express themselves, find inspiration online or consult with a professional stylist. Now, the takeaway for this video is that cornrows promote hair growth and self-confidence. Choose hairstyles suitable for age, hair type, and length. Maintain cornrows with regular moisturizing and retightening. Communicate clearly with stylists and make the experience enjoyable. Now, this is all we have for today's video regarding your kids' hairstyles and styles you need to consider when choosing a perfect style for your kid. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.